So these are the lifts at Lachlan Square Village in Macquarie Park. These are both Kone MonoSpace lifts. Maintained by TKE. Okay. Can't go to basement 2 unless you have a card. So this is the first floor where you've got the gym. This is the smaller lift, 1,000 kilograms or 13 persons. I believe this is an E MonoSpace. Installed in 2018. And now here's the larger lift. This is an S MonoSpace, also installed in 2018. Unfortunately, this one can only access level 1 if you have a card, so I'm just going to go up to ground. This one weighs 2,500 kilograms or 33 persons. There you go, and we'll go back down. There we go. I was wondering why the door wouldn't close. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.